Hi all, my name is Yuri and this is my channel. Today I'm very excited because I've purchased my first drone. DJI Mini 4K. This is my first drone. I don't have any experience with drones. I've never owned one, never operated one, so I'm just very excited with this little thing. I'm going to unpack it. I'm going to show you what's inside this pretty little box. I'm going to go and fly it for the first time and show you is it hard or not for the person who never owned a drone to do that. Let's unpack this little thing. The box itself is very small. I'm so scared to do it on a balcony. I'm on above 30th floor, but I want to do it in a beautiful place, so let's do it. Unpacking my drone. This little thing, it can film videos in 4K in 30 frames per second. Let's start to unpack it. Ooh, it was easy. Okay, hide in plastic so it won't fly away. Okay, let's open it. And inside it looks like this. Oh my god, he's so cute. He's so small. It's very cute and it's very small. I'm really scared to do it on a balcony because it can fly, but when it's on. Let's see how big it is. Oh my god, look at this little thing. It's so small and cute. Oh my god. So nice. So nice. Can't wait till I fly it. Watch till the end of the video and I will fly it there. So inside the box there is a battery and it's also a controller. Looks like this. It's probably, I don't know, if you ask me what it reminds me, it's probably just a fat Xbox controller. Looks good. And there's this little box. Sorry?
I'm sorry, am I disturbing you?
No. Am I disturbing you?
No. Do you have a YouTube channel or something like that?
Yeah. I'm just unpacking my drone. I will be out in 3 minutes.
Okay. No, that's fine.
Thank you. So, also there is a box with cables here. What's inside? Need to be very careful. And inside there are USB-C cables that are going to controller and to your phone, Android or iPhone. It supports both. And I think that's it. I don't see anything else. Some adapters probably. I want to show you this little guy one more time and then we'll go to flight. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I've always wanted this kind of stuff, but I thought I can't afford it. This thing is $270 Canadian right now on Amazon. It's pretty affordable. Okay, so this time has come. Have my drone, the controller, and let's fly. I'm preparing everything. It's gonna be my starting pad. Just a bag from Kit and Ace. It's almost ready. Preparing the last part, the mobile phone. Everything is ready. It's waiting for us to start over there. It's just improvising launch pad from a bag from Kit and Ace. I hope it's okay. It's very improvised because other than that I will need to put it on the ground.
Those people are really brave.
Yeah.
They cannot always.
Yeah. Those people are very brave. They're coming our way. It's very wet. The Riverdale Park at this time of the year is a mess. So this is the only place I found where we can start it. Let's start it.
And where there is no water.
Am I ready? Absolutely not.
No.
I have never operated drone in my lifetime, so it is what it is. Everything is on. It's ready to fly.
Perform a safety check before you fly.
There is a safety check that I'm performing at the moment. Let's see. I'm just going to put it like this, so two cameras would see each other. I will start
Good luck.
filming a video. Thank you. What it sees is videos right now. Let me check the app. Okay, everything is good to fly. We can start.
Take off.
Okay, it's taken off.
Home point updated.
I will do it very slowly because I've never done it before. So here it is.
Ти мені прям перед обличчям.
Yes. Okay,
Hi.
come here. We should be really careful with the blades because I got my hand yesterday, but we should be okay. I can show it later. I need sunglasses because it's hard to see something. Right now, we're looking at us on a camera. still learning. But both of us don't have experience with drones, and you see, both of us can do some basic stuff like controlling it when it's in sky. The only thing that I worry about is landing, because I've never landed a drone before, but let's see. It's landing. It's my first time landing a drone, so I'm a bit worried about how it will go. Mm-hmm. It's in one piece. I'm so happy about this. You can't imagine, because last time I tried to do that, and first time I tried to do that, I got my hand. But it's okay. I'm so happy. It was amazing. First time doing this stuff. Absolutely amazing. It's both of us.
Scared.
Yeah, she was scared. I was scared as well. It's something we've never done before. Both of us, we've never operated a drone, and look at us.
I'm scared of these things.
Yes.
They're very sharp and very
Yeah, I'm scared of the blades as well.
very
But
fast.
it's so user-friendly. Okay, so I'm just turning it off by clicking this button.
Should I stop the video?
Yeah. Okay, the video stopped. Drone is up, and we just need to do this, and this. Just it looks like this after we put everything back.
The cameras.
And yes, with the
Do you need to move it?
no,
Oh,
no,
it's
with the
complex.
camera, I have this little camera cover that I can.
Show it.
Yes. So this is how it looks without a camera cover. This is how it looks with camera cover. I tried to just not to break anything, because everything is very fragile. And we need to turn off the joystick. And after we turned everything off, put on a cover, I will pick up my bag from Kid and Ace, which was our launch pad. I will just start packing and go home, and then I will work on the video. Yeah, this is,
It looks like this.
yes, right now it's not filming, or probably,
No, it's post.
no, it's paused, so this is just my phone. Thank you very much for watching this video. It was a pleasure to fly this drone, to prepare everything for the flight.
Show it to everyone.
Yes, to show it to everyone. It's a very nice experience. $269 on Amazon plus tax. This is the price in Canada. I think it's gonna be the same in the US. And the thing is yours. It's fantastic experience. I'm not a professional by any means, but I hope this will improve my channel and it will help you to see Toronto from the eyes of the drone or from the lens of the drone and see how beautiful this city is. Thank you very much. Please hit subscribe, like this video. If you have any tips for a beginner drone operator, let me know, because maybe you know something I don't know. And I'll see you in the next video, and bye.
Bye.